An organic compound contains 69% carbon and 4.8% hydrogen. So you have carbon and hydrogen, 69 and 4.8%. Now please note, this is not adding up to 100% nonetheless. And the remainder being oxygen. So the remainder is oxygen, even more dangerous. Very interesting and very good. Let's see what luck has in store for us. So total is 100 grams. In case, let us assume we have 100 grams of organic compound, this much is carbon and hydrogen. How much is oxygen? That would be 100 minus, add this, that is 73.8. How much is that? Well, 26.2 grams. It becomes 26.2 grams, right? This is mass. Calculate the masses of carbon dioxide and water produced. Okay. When 0.2 grams of this substance is subjected to complete combustion. Oh my God. Now, you would find that we have mass. If total 100 grams of compound, I have so much of carbon and hydrogen. I could always calculate, instead of 100 grams, had I had only 0.2 grams of this substance, what would have been the mass of carbon or hydrogen here? Could I have done that? Yes, let's try. Can we take moles? Yes. 69 by 12, 4.8 by 1, 26.2 by 16. I don't think we need oxygen, but still, just for name's sake, I've done that. So many moles of carbon atoms. These are moles of atoms. Let me make it clear. I'm not asked the empirical formula, etc. So let me not bother. Let me see, had I had 100 grams, these many moles of carbon would have been there. So moles of CO2 would have been how many? Same moles, 69 by 12, right? And moles of H2O would have been, now H2O contains 2 hydrogens. So one hydrogen, if you have 4.8 moles of hydrogen, you would get 4.8 upon 2 moles of water. Okay, so these many moles of water and these many moles of carbon dioxide. Fine. And we wanted the masses. So let's calculate mass, that's not a problem. This is mass of CO2 would have been 69 by 12 into 44. Why? Because molar mass of CO2 is 44. Molar mass of water is 18. So I would have 4.8 by 2 is 2.4. I'll just divide this. 2.4 into 18 grams per mole. So many grams of CO2 and H2O had I started with 100 grams of mixture. But I don't have 100 grams. Instead of 100, I just have 0.2 grams. So this is simple ratio and proportion. 100 grams of organic compound gives how many grams? This dirt, 69 by 12 into 44 grams CO2. So 0.2 grams of organic compound will give how much? 0.2 into, this is 3, this is 11, 69 into 11 upon 3. The whole damn thing divided by 100. This into this by this. So many grams of what? Of CO2. So mass of CO2 would be, let's look at this. This is 0.2 into 23 into 11 by 100. That makes it 0.23. Whatever this multiplication comes out to be, we can quickly do that and get at. How much is 11 to the 33? 3 11 to the 22. and 325 into 2. This is 506, 3 decimals. I get 0.506 grams. This is just calculation, I just strike it out. I get 0.506 grams of CO2. Same way, we have mass of water. How much would that be? 2.4 into 18 into 0.2 upon 100. You repeat that thing. Instead of 100 grams, take 0.2 grams. This is the mass you would obtain. And that would come out to be, well, 18 4s are 72, 18 2s are 36, and 43. Fine. So this is 0.432 into 0.2. This is 0.0864 grams. You will get 0.0864 grams of water. This is the answer.